Hello everyone, welcome to another story. Bubbles goes to school. Bubbles, you are going to school today. What is school like, mummy? School is a fun place where you learn, grow, and make lots of friends. Hello, Bubbles. Welcome to school, Bubbles. Come on, Bubbles. We are going to find out how tall we are. It is time for a story. Once upon a time, there was. Let's all sing a song. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Bubbles, what are you making? A green octopus? I like school. Wash your hands, children. It's super time. Mmm, yum. Let's play hide and seek. One, two, three, ready or not, here come. No, not yet. Come on, children. It is time to go home. How was school, Bubbles? Fun!